Solo offers an unparalleled suite of controls and functionality within the unit itself. I'll start with the cameras. The camera we use in our flagship XT model is the Panasonic AWUE-150, the world's first and only Netflix-approved PTZ camera. PTZ cameras are traditionally used for conferences and as security cams, so it may come as a surprise when you find out what's going on inside this thing. Inside the housing lies the same sensor as the Panasonic VariCam, a 4K 1-inch MOS sensor, capable of capturing cinematic images and vlog color space at various frame rates, including 2398, which for us was a major selling point. And in our extensive research of cameras in this class, nothing else came close. It has dual sensitivity modes for normal shooting or low light performance, so it's got a lot of range. To top it off, it has a 20x optical zoom, which gives us the Super 35 equivalent of a 24.5 to 490 millimeter zoom lens. And that's optical, not digital, so there's no image degradation on the longer focal lengths. It also has a variable aperture of 2.8 to 4.5, of course realizing the light loss on the telephoto end.